in just the last 30 days, this video,
and the results might surprise you. All three have tangle-free brush head rolls, which if you have pets or long hair, these are a must-have.
made $1.4 million. This one
So what's the better cordless vacuum, the Dyson V8 or a Shark Power Pro Flex?
generated $1.1 million.
Not even a foundation. This is a tinted moisturizer and it has SPF. If this isn't lazy girl makeup, then I don't know what is.
Only 27 seconds long,
Because did you guys see the way that blended out?
but it generated $680,960.
Why does it feel like someone at Medicube made a mistake? Like, this is actually insane.
So here's the problem. Most people think you need to be creative in order to make money with user-generated content, when the truth is you don't. I'm going to show you how to copy winning content using only AI in a simple, beginner-friendly way. You're going to learn how to find winning, proven user-generated content, how to collect and break down the assets that you need, what AI tools to use to do most of the work for you. The AI tools I'm going to be mentioning will be linked in the description or in the pinned comment. So there's different ways you can find winning UGC. For example, you can start with what's called the TikTok Creative Center. So the TikTok Creative Center is completely free of charge. You just log into it using your TikTok handle. Once you go onto the inspiration tab on the top left here, you've got all these different headings that you can explore. Having clicked into inspiration, for me, it's automatically come up with the United Kingdom. You can view different countries. I'm going to change it to the United States. You can change the industry, the objective. Why are you looking at these ads? You can look at the last 30 days, the last 7 days, language, ad format, and so forth. And the reason why this is powerful, it shows you what other brands have paid for in terms of TikTok ads, but you can also see what's working. Remember, it doesn't matter how much money a brand pays for an ad. What matters is how people respond to it. You can see the engagement, the number of views. Staying with TikTok, you can also use the TikTok made me buy it hashtag. You go onto the search bar, type in TikTok made me buy it. This is one of, if not the most popular hashtags within TikTok that brands use to share the videos that they are currently creating to promote their products. A lot of these videos are organic. Yes, there are some ads here and there, but a lot of them are not paid ads. So this gives you a genuine idea of how the organic market is responding. Shameless plug, my YouTube channel is all about crushing TikTok Shop e-commerce, Shopify, AI, user-generated content, dropshipping, and so forth. If that's something that you're interested in currently, I have a ton of content. Be sure to drop a subscribe and be sure to just drop a comment and let me know what you would like to see or what you are enjoying on there. Moving on to the granddaddy of TikTok Shop data analysis tools here, we have got Kalo Data. It is of course a paid tool, but it goes in a lot more deeper. For example, firstly, we are within the video and ad section or tab of the Kalo Data website. So this is where they show you what videos and ads are performing well, specifically on TikTok Shop. I can go into product and what products are performing well over the last 30 days. I can also spy on content creators are absolutely crushing it. You get the point. But going back to videos and ads, you can look at the revenue that the video generated, the product, number of items sold. You can look at the revenue trend, ad view ratio, leaps and bounds ahead of the free tools that I've mentioned in terms of saving you time. And to take it a step further, I can also see some additional information. I can download the video that's crushing it. I can grab the storyboard, the transcript of the video. This is great for TikTok Shop affiliates, also great for TikTok shops. We can filter this information as well on the left-hand side here by revenue source, revenue growth rates. We can delve in quite deep in a short space of time when it comes to what we are seeing. When it comes to finding ideas for user-generated content for drop shipping purposes, I use this platform called Doba. If I click on the Video Hub tab, this is where Doba offers you some video sourcing ideas. Now, crazy thing here is to get your video created even faster, these suppliers allow you to download these videos and use them in your content if you are selling these products. Kalo Data, best for affiliate marketing on TikTok Shop, whereas Doba here focuses mainly on the dropshipping element.
In the holiday hustle season, the biggest money making.
So another one worth thinking about. What we're doing here so far is we are observing. We are not jumping in and creating content. We are seeing the landscape, looking at what's working for other people before we go ahead and create the content ourselves. results. When it comes to picking the right videos, you want to look at three things: recency, measurable results, and replicability. What does that mean? When it comes to recency, the video ideally needs to be within the last 7 to 14 days, and thanks to AI, all of this can be done within minutes. For example, having gone onto Kalo Data and clicked on our example video here at the top, straight away I can see how many views the video got, how many items were sold, how much revenue, which is a really powerful indicator, return on ad spent, and a bunch of other information. And what Kalo Data is telling me here is it's not just the one person that crushed it. All these other people here that are selling the same product, they've also found success using that product. So that further reinforces that that works, because multiple people are seeing more or less similar results. Within seconds, I've already got all this information. Last 48 hours is even better. You want to avoid outdated results. And when it comes to measurable results, things like views, orders, engagement, you need to be able to see all of this information. You need to be able to measure it. We're not going on faith, right? And replicability. Can you replicate what you are seeing? Are you looking at this ad and thinking this is going to be impossible for me to do? I cannot replicate this standard. Or are you looking at it and thinking, you know what? I can actually replicate that. This shouldn't be that difficult. So you want a simple format, clear structure, no crazy production. Speed is your friend. The quicker you can make, launch, ship, test, the better. Okay, so jumping on to the next stage of our process, we've now identified what video we are going to be replicating after following step 1. Now it's a case of, have we got everything we need to put the video together? So what we're going to be needing is the script, the structure, visuals, and any other assets that can help us get as close as possible to the original video. But firstly, let me just give you an idea of how easy it is with AI to get all of this information together in literally minutes. So one way to achieve this is going back to our friend, the TikTok Creative Center there. Once you click on the video ad that you really like and you want to try and replicate, you can save it, you can copy link. Alternatively, if you go onto Kalo Data, it allows you to not only download the video, but literally within seconds, you can grab the transcript by exporting it. You can also export the storyboard, all the work done for you. Another option which surprised me, if you've got a vertical video, maybe 20-30 seconds long, you can also throw it into ChatGPT, give it a prompt, and ChatGPT will give you a script based on the transcript. Now, when it comes to assets, the listings on TikTok Shop will have all the images that you need. Usually with AI platforms, they only need just 2 variations of the image, but to do this even faster, let me show you something. What I've done here is click on the storyboard export option. It's loaded this window, and you can either copy the link of the product here, which I can grab from anywhere there. I've pasted the link, and just like that, Kalo Data pulls all that information for you. They've got all the different images that are being used, and from there you basically just follow this step by step, and by the end of it you will have a video that's already been generated. But more on that a little bit later on as well. I just wanted to show you how quickly you can get all of this stuff done. It may sound slightly complicated, but with AI, 99% of the work literally gets done for you. Now, everything that we've done so far means absolutely nothing if we're not going to use AI to create the video for us. But please do like this video. If you're watching on mobile, do hype it up as well so we can get as many people as possible to see it. But let's go ahead and create some AI generated videos. There's many platforms that you can use, but I'm going to focus on just 5 of some of my favorite tools. Again, they will be linked in the description, starting with Kalo Data. I'm going to show you a version that I have already created. I'm going to do that by clicking on library. We're going to leave this page, and this is some of what has been generated for me. Let's start with this one.
Tired of weak vacuums? Meet the Shark Power Pro Flex. Its hypervelocity suction and floor detect technology grab every crumb.
Really liked it.
Plus, the flexible design reaches anywhere. Grab yours today.
Realistic. I like the voice. I like the feeling. I like the tone. Maybe not the music. That might not show the exact product. Let's play the second video as well. This was for a comforter, I believe.
This comforter is double stuffed for extra bounce. It's ridiculously soft, heat adaptive, and totally vegan. Best of all, it's completely machine washable.
One of my favorites. It's simple. It doesn't feel like there's too much production in it, whereas the other one I've just played you feels a little bit more produced, and that can push people away. CapCut is another option, but you can see they've got some amazing video models here. We've got seed dance. We're just going to play a couple of these videos.
A young man was walking through a bustling city park one sunny afternoon. Hey, good to see you. Hey.
Yeah, I mean, it does come across, it does scream AI generated, but at least we are seeing those good indicators. These are some of the more realistic ones.
Hey, good to see you. Hey, good to see you. Hey, good.
Not bad.
Hey, good to see you. Hey, good.
Voice does sound a bit robotic, but you get the idea. One of my absolute favorites is called Arc Ads AI. This is specifically for e-commerce purposes, designed for ads, not entertainment. Just going to show you some examples of what I've created in the past with it.
Are you tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moments? Meet your new everyday essential, the wireless power bank that changes the game. No more messy cables, no more searching for outlets. Anytime, anywhere. Sleek,
Beautiful, simple, straight to the point. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but what I like about Arcads, look at how realistic this is right here. You just copy the script, say from Kalo Data, paste it here, and from there you can choose an actor that's going to appear in your video. You can choose the type of environment, what's that person doing, the skin tone, whether they're holding a product, the kind of emotions they're feeling, and it goes deeper than that. To give you another example here, let's play it.
You know that feeling when your phone's on 3% and you're nowhere near a charger? Yeah, been there way too many times. That's why I have this little lifesaver I've been using, wireless power bank made just for iPhones.
Beautiful.
And honestly, it's been a total game changer.
Here's another option, a tool called Nextify AI. Firstly, just a quick browse. These are the different types of videos. The beauty of Nextify is they are mainly geared towards e-commerce and ads. These are the different models that they use. You've got Sora, Nano Banana, you've got VO3, Kling, you've got these templates. Just like Arcads, they've got these talking actors as well. We're just going to click on a few and just see how they sound.
Hey there, I'm an AI digital human. Tired of the hassle of filming videos, hiring actors, building sets, and
anyone running a business is going to thank me after watching this video. Days ago when I was
Haven't prepared your Valentine's Day bestsellers yet? Starting now. Honestly, it's already a bit late.
Did you know? Nowadays, hardly anyone flies to China.
You won't believe this. I went to Taylor's concert.
You're not losing money because you're...
This is raw material that you can mold, tweak, and change to fit your agenda. Here are my previous projects. We're just going to click on a few here.
Tired of weak vacuum? Meet the Shark Power Pro Flex. Its hypervelocity suction and floor detect. Grab yours today.
Love it. Let's play a different one. This gentleman here. Beautiful. And I think AI does really excel at these non-vocal videos. You've probably come across this one before. It's called In-Video AI. I'm going to play you an example that I created here.
Are you tired of your phone dying at the worst possible moments? Meet your new everyday essential, the wireless power bank that changes the game. No more messy cables, no more searching for outlets. Just snap it on, charge wirelessly, anytime, anywhere. Sleek, compact, powerful. This little device packs a serious...
Beautiful. This works because we are not guessing. We are using proven data, proven content. Plus, you've got AI to do 99% of the work for you. But with all the tools and the knowledge that we've gained, how do we go about cloning an AI video step by step?